Hello everyone, I'm Russian Siberian man and today I will show you another way how to cook pork knuckle in beer. Watch this video until the end, it will be interesting. So, поехали! We take the knuckle and make the holes in it with a knife in order not to stuff it and not push anything inside, but at the same time so that the taste penetrates well inside. We will cook with onions, garlic, carrots, orange peel, celery. We will also add peppercorns, bay leaf, salt, cloves, parsley and necessarily 1 liter of beer. I will add dark beers, Irish ale, but you can add any of your favorite beers, even light ones. The knuckle needs to be cooked for a long time, either 3 to 4 hours in a pot or 1 to 2 hours in a pressure cooker. Brush the potatoes and garlic with oil and bake in the oven at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 30 to 40 minutes. But ovens are different for everyone, as is the size of vegetables, so keep until dawn. Add butter and salt and pepper to taste. Glazes: mustard, soy sauce, orange juice. It's very important to let the knuckle cool so that it absorbs the juice back. Sponge example. When the meat is cooked, it shrinks and gives the juice. You need to let the meat cool down so that it absorbs all the moisture back and become juicy. Put the pan in cold water. After the knuckle has cooled, it needs to be given a beautiful crust. It's the oven with glazing. We glaze and send our knuckle to the oven until a beautiful golden crust is given. Ready! Our juicy knuckle in beer is ready. This knuckle doesn't very well with potatoes and cooled kvass. Also from this knuckle you can make pulled pork, which is perfect for sandwiches.
Thank you for watching this video to the end. Like and subscribe to my channel. It helps YouTube algorithms. And remember, everyone can cook.